Alright, so in this lesson we are going to calculate the lateral and total surface areas. So the lateral and total surface areas of triangular prisms. And this time we're going to use the formula. Alright, so we have a right triangular prism. So that's our right angle. Here's our prism. So let's go ahead and write our formulas first. So first, the formulas are going to be the same as the rectangular prisms. So lateral surface area is S equals PH, and the total surface area is S equals, well, actually I'm going to leave some more room. S equals PH plus 2B. So the same formulas as surface area for a rectangular prism. So the first thing I want you to do is always draw and shade the base. So I'm going to shade my base first, or shade my bases. And they are triangles. Remember, it's tipped over. And, I can draw that a little more tip overy. Okay, and so I'm going to draw this base. I could do a tiny bit better. I can't draw from left to right apparently. Okay. So this is my base. And my right angle, that's 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. Okay, so I need to find the perimeter of this base. Remember that the perimeter is going to be the distance around a shape. So 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. Okay, let's make that a little better. Okay. There we go. Plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. Better. And that will give us a perimeter of the base that is 5, 8, 12 centimeters. Cool. Now we need to find the area of the base. So let's do yellow. So remember, this is a triangle. So the area of the triangle, the area of the base, is base times height divided by 2. So we're going to use the base and the height of our triangle and divide by 2. So 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters divided by 2. So we get 12 centimeters squared, or 12 square centimeters divided by 2. And then we get 6 square centimeters. That is the area of our base. The area of our base. Okay. I don't know whether that's better or worse. Okay. 6 square centimeters. And that is the area of the base. Remember, this is not base, it's area of the base. And lastly, the height, how many layers we have. Let's do so I guess we'll do an orange. So it's how many slices we have, remember? So we have 11 slices. Like if we were to slice this up like a loaf of bread. There's 11 of them. I'm not going to attempt to draw all of them. So this is 11 centimeters. All right, so let's find the lateral surface area. So let's use the colors. P was our perimeter of our base, which is 12 centimeters. And then we'll multiply it by our height, or how many layers we have, which is 11 centimeters. And let's do our math, or simplify, I guess, evaluate. So the lateral surface area is 12 times 11. Well, 12 times 10 is 120. 120 plus 12 is 132. So 132 square centimeters. Because centimeters and centimeters. You know what, I'll do that a little bit further down. Ooh, I can do this. I believe in myself. Okay. So that comes from there. Okay, now I'm just going to carry this down here because I don't want to write all this over again. So that will come here. So 132 square centimeters. And then we'll add 2. And then our area of the base is yellow. Oop. Our area of the base is yellow. And it's 6 square centimeters. So 132 square centimeters plus 2 times 6 centimeters squared is 12 square centimeters. And that means we get our total surface area of 144 square centimeters. Oop. Okay. I can't even draw that straight line. Okay, maybe. There we go. So here I put that. I'm going to put like that. Okay. Let's write our statement. So it would take 132 square centimeters to cover the lateral faces and 144 square centimeters to cover all of the faces. Once again, we're finding out how many squares it takes to cover this object. So, for instance, right here it's showing us that the area of the base is 6 centimeters squared, or 6 square centimeters. That means it takes 6 square centimeters to cover this area, and then 6 more to cover this. And then it would take 132 squares to cover like these 3 like faces that are, you know, the lateral faces. And together they all would need 144 square centimeters to cover them up.